Hello, students. I'd like to invite you to take CIS-30C in fall 2021, which begins on August 20th. And in this class, we will be learning Python in cybersecurity, in which we will learn how to script for ethical hacking, for assessing risks and threats, for monitoring devices and networks. We will use appropriate library for this purpose. While this class is face-to-face, I plan to use Zoom technology to stream the class live. So for those of you who can't be physically attending the class, then you can sign up for the course and you can still participate via Zoom. Additionally, I will have the recording available so you can watch the course, the sessions when you can. And Python is always in high demand, especially in the cybersecurity area or the development area. So I encourage you to sign up for the course. I look forward to have you in the fall. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Thank you.